Hey guys, Richard here. So I just wanted to make a quick video to kind of give you an overview of where I am in my journey on YouTube and really thank everybody that has subscribed to the channel or took the time to actually view one of my videos. So I want to make this a little bit more of a relaxed video, but I kind of want to go through how I started and how I've got to around 5,000 subscribers at the moment. It's actually 5,100. And really, document the journey a little bit more for you guys and do these kind of more relaxed videos on a more regular basis so that you can see how a very small YouTube channel actually grows. Now, I know a lot of you are coming online and wanting to use YouTube to get traffic over to your various products and services, and it is a brilliant way to do it, but it takes some time to get going. I want to kind of show you, to give you some encouragement that if you stick at it and you keep producing content, that you can actually grow a channel. So let me just show you some stats here. This was my channel back in October 2019, and you can see it took a long while, around about till the April, to actually get going. Now, a lot of people quit then because a lot of people want to see things grow really fast online, and in most of us are normal people and it takes time to grow anything, just like any business, right? Now, you can see around April time, I started producing videos on a more regular basis. And to be honest, I actually started learning what I was actually doing. It took that amount of time to learn how to make videos, what kind of content to produce videos on. And it really took that amount of time to get going and really understand what I was going to produce online. Now, I'm in the make money online niche. This works exactly the same for every single niche out there. You need that time to kind of develop and get confidence in yourself. Now, you can see around April time, the channel really took off, and then it gets an average of around 700 to 1,000 views every single day now, depending on the type of content that I actually produce. But let me show you the type of content that I actually started with on this channel. So if I go to my very first videos, I actually follow something called the Simple Traffic Blueprint. You'll see the link in the description below over to the Simple Traffic Blueprint review that I've done, so you can kind of check that out. But I actually started with that. And if you look at these videos, all I was doing was very simple tutorials on the types of products and services in my own niche. Now, these types of products and services are free to actually go ahead and video. And all I did was I videoed my screen. I wasn't on camera, and I just showed people how to use them. And you would be surprised how many people want to come along and see how to use certain things like this online. Like this, for example, this Unsplashed tutorial is just a place where you go and get pictures, and that's had nearly 2,000 views just for somewhere that's free for anybody to access, but people want to be shown this type of thing online. So I started off with very simple tutorials, and then as I progressed, I used a slightly different strategy, but it's kind of one that was mixed in with my old one. I started doing a lot of product reviews. Now, my product reviews are kind of different from a lot of the ones you'll see out there. I have a history in the make money online niche of buying lots of different products and really understanding what kind of works online. So I do a lot of honest product reviews. Some people might think they're negative. I'm not trying to be negative. What I'm trying to do is help people to actually understand what works online and what these push button softwares actually going to give you and what doesn't really work. So you'll see a lot of product reviews on here now, and again, they're a mixture of good and bad product reviews, and I just be as honest as I can and open, and the aim of the channel is to help anyone who comes along just to get a bit more information about what they're trying to see. And if I just flick over to today, let's go back to the actual videos of today. These are the top kind of videos on my channel today as far as views are concerned. So you'll see this playtest cloud ones had 75,000 views. The actual videos ones had 44,000 views. You'll see this Facebook one has 17,000 views. Now I'm starting to do more stuff on Facebook, and this is all about how to get friends lists. 20 Cogs is a site where you go ahead and do all these kind of get paid to type tasks, 7,500 views. This Designer, which is a great product for doing ebooks, is 4,800 views. So you can see, just by doing very simple videos and very simple reviews, you can have a lot of traffic just from YouTube. Now guys, again, this video was just to thank everybody who's taken the time to actually review my channel, kind of give you a status report on where I am, and I'm going to do these on a more regular basis with the hope that if you've got a very, very small channel or you're just starting out on YouTube, then this is going to give you some inspiration that you can actually grow to quite a significant level, because you know, you don't need millions and millions of viewers on YouTube to make a nice living. I can tell you that in all honesty, right? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment below, or you'll see my email address there. And guys, if you wanted to start with a simple traffic blueprint, which is the way that I started online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below. You can go and see what it's all about. Again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day. I'll speak to you soon.